Hey everyone, this is Rick from TaxDome here with another monthly update video for you. And I'm excited to tell you everything that we have been working on in January. Up first, a brand new firm mobile app for iOS and Android. This release has two main updates. First, you can now access client documents and upload documents from your phone. Second, the platforms have been redesigned, and on the new home screen, you can view your inbox and perform convenient, quick actions like uploading documents or creating a new chat with your clients. In addition to documents and communication, you can also access your firm's CRM information from anywhere. You can view, edit, and create new entries in your firm's contacts and accounts. As always, you can set up Face ID and Touch ID for increased security. If you have previously downloaded the apps, they have automatically updated on your phones. And if you haven't, you can download them from the App Store and Google Play Store. We've also added the direct links to the release notes. The next update we're excited to tell you about concerns time and billing. You can now track work in progress, otherwise known as WIP. You can see unbilled work for each client and create invoices in just a few clicks. In the new section under Billing, access your firm's WIP to easily see all unbilled time in one place, both in terms of hours and the amount of unbilled dollars. We've also made it very easy to create invoices from that unbilled time by clicking Create Invoice. You can then select the necessary time entries and create invoices in bulk. Since this is a new feature, you'll likely have time entries you previously invoiced for. You can clean them by marking them already billed. Now, sticking with firm productivity, let's move on to organizers. During the busy season, it is imperative to look through client-provided information and quickly know what's been added to your tax program and what hasn't. Given this need, we have updated the organizer view for your team to be more grid-like and have had the added ability to add check marks to questions. Now, this allows you to mark responses that you've already viewed or processed, giving you greater control over the information and documents your clients have submitted. Once you mark it off, your team knows that it's been processed and your client will no longer be able to modify that particular answer. Now, on to your client's experience. We've made a few design updates. First, we've improved the PDF your clients receive when you send them an invoice. The new design has an improved layout and supports long descriptions, so you can now give your clients more information within the invoices about the work that you're doing for them. Secondly, we've updated the first screen your clients see when they are asked to e-sign a document. The screen has been redesigned and resembles the DocuSign experience to increase familiarity with your new clients when you send them a signature request. And the final update we'd like to mention is also with regards to signatures, but for your firm workflow. As a reminder, using workflow automation, you can create dependencies. So when an action is complete, it can trigger future actions automatically. In TaxDome, these dependencies are called auto move. In this case, we've made it easier to auto move jobs when an e-signature is complete. So let me show you what I mean. Let's say, as an example, you need to get a Form 8879 e-signed. You can set it up so that once your client completes the signature, the job will automatically move forward in your workflow, creating a task for your admin to e-file the return. Now, this really powerful automation helps streamline workflows and save time for thousands of tax firms. For the auto move to work, the document being signed has to be linked to a job. And to facilitate this, we've made it easier to link the document to the job when requesting a signature. Now, wherever you trigger the signature request from, the desktop application or the web browser, whichever one you decide, you can make sure that the document is linked to the job to ensure the automation works smoothly. And that's all for today, folks. Thank you very much for joining me. We will be back next month with another video on our updates then. In the meantime, you can check out our release notes for an overview of all the latest TaxDome updates and improvements, including sneak peeks of upcoming releases. Bye for now, everybody. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you all have a great rest of your day.